Green tea, cherished for centuries, has gained attention for its health benefits. Recent research suggests its potential in addressing back pain. This exploration delves into scientific intricacies behind green tea's potential as an elixir for back pain relief, unveiling lesser-known facts about its therapeutic properties. Back pain, affecting millions, arises from diverse causes including muscular strains, ligament sprains, and degenerative conditions. Psychosocial factors exacerbate discomfort. Traditional remedies focus on symptomatic relief, but emerging research hints at green tea as an adjunctive therapy. Green tea's therapeutic potential lies in its bioactive compounds, notably polyphenols like epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG. EGCG, with antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, is key. Green tea also contains caffeine, theanine, and various vitamins and minerals. Chronic inflammation contributes to many types of back pain. EGCG inhibits pro-inflammatory cytokines, modulates inflammatory pathways, and suppresses the activity of NF-κB, thus mitigating the inflammatory cascade implicated in back pain. Green tea polyphenols offer neuroprotection by enhancing synaptic transmission, promoting neurogenesis, and modulating neurotransmitter pathways implicated in pain processing. They also demonstrate analgesic properties, attenuating pain perception. Green tea polyphenols protect against cartilage degradation by inhibiting enzymes involved in matrix breakdown. They also attenuate oxidative stress within joint tissues, preserving cartilage integrity and promoting joint lubrication. Green tea's calming properties, attributed to caffeine and theanine, foster mental tranquility. By reducing stress-related cortisol levels, it complements conventional treatments for back pain, addressing psychosocial contributors to discomfort. Factors influencing green tea's bioavailability include brewing methods, tea quality, and individual metabolism. Standardized green tea extracts ensure consistent delivery of bioactive compounds. Clinical studies recommend doses ranging from 300 to 1,200 milligrams of EGCG per day. Green tea is generally safe when consumed in moderation. Excessive consumption or high-dose supplements may lead to adverse effects. Special populations, such as pregnant women and those with medical conditions, should exercise caution. Green tea offers a multifaceted approach to alleviating back pain through its anti-inflammatory, neuroprotective, and stress-reducing properties. By modulating inflammation, preserving cartilage integrity, and promoting mind-body wellness, switch to green.